Finding insights and strategies for streamlining your business operations and boosting your bottom line will include maximizing productivity with the workflows in your business. Being efficient will save you time, and since we only have so much time each and every day, you want to make sure that you're maximizing all of the efficiencies that you can in your business. But have you ever thought that once you master your bookkeeping and other business workflows, you'll also be creating a system that will be more accurate and reliable? When you set up your workflows and follow through with them, you'll notice that you're more organized, and you'll even save time trying to hunt down paperwork that you know is in your office somewhere. In today's podcast episode, I discuss the benefits of finding a workflow system that works for your business. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. In most cases, you don't even need to spend any additional money to get your workflows set up. You just need to create your workflow system and stick to it. Once you have this down, you'll see just how easy it is to delegate tasks and ensure that everyone is on the same page when it comes to getting work done. I want you to take a minute and think about what you could be doing with the extra time that you gain by having efficient workflows in your business. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. To start things off, I want to discuss what workflows are and why you should care about them. Simply put, workflows are the systematic processes that cover how work gets done in your business. They encompass everything from how you handle invoices and expenses to payroll and financial reporting. Efficient workflows are like the engine of your business. They ensure that tasks are completed smoothly, accurately, and without unnecessary delays. So why should you care about setting up workflows for your business? First, let's cover time savings. One of the most immediate benefits of setting up efficient workflows is the amount of time that you're going to save. When your processes are streamlined, tasks that used to take hours can be completed in minutes. This efficiency frees up your time and your team's time, if you have one, to focus on growing your business and serving your clients or your customers. After all, isn't this what really matters to you and your business? Next, I want to talk about how setting up efficient workflows can result in a cost reduction. Think about it. When your tasks are streamlined, you're less likely to make costly mistakes or errors. This can mean significant savings in terms of late fees, penalties, and especially your own valuable time. I know many of the clients that I work with don't put a value on their time. But if you haven't already, I want you to think about what your time is worth. How much is 1 hour of your time worth to you? When you're improving your workflows, you can then take these cost savings into consideration. Setting up effective workflows also provides you with access to timely and accurate financial information. This allows for better decision making. You can spot trends, identify areas where you can cut costs, and make informed strategic choices to drive your business forward. It allows you to stay in compliance with tax regulations, accounting standards, and data security, which reduces risk as well. You'll also see enhanced accountability when your processes are well defined and documented. It's easier to track who's responsible for which tasks. This reduces any confusion about who should be working on what and when it should be getting done. Everyone knows what their role is in the business and how they can go about reaching their goals. Even when you're a solopreneur without a team, you'll find that you're much more accountable when you have these workflows documented. You'll have an exact path that you need to take to get all of your tasks completed. If you've ever thought about scaling your business, you want to make sure that you have your workflow set up and working efficiently. As your business grows, your workflows can scale with you. They provide a solid foundation for expansion, making it easier to bring in new team members, open new locations, or diversify your product or the services that you offer. Scaling is one thing that many business owners want to do, but understanding how much of an impact having efficient workflows will have on your ability to scale with ease is often overlooked. And lastly, let's not forget about maintaining customer satisfaction. This may be one of the most important aspects of having efficient workflows, since they often translate into improved overall customer satisfaction, as well as increased revenues. When your business operates smoothly, you can deliver your products or your services to them on time, answer customer inquiries promptly, and provide a better experience for each and every one of your clients or your customers. Take some time this week and do a quick audit of the workflows that you have set up in your business to see where you could improve your processes and increase your efficiencies. I recommend looking at every area of your business and starting in the area that you feel is your highest priority. When I work with my clients on their workflows, I always love hearing how much time they're saving when they have their workflows dialed in, how they're able to utilize that time to do things that they've been putting off in their business, and how fun it is when they're able to take some of that time to spend with their family and friends. This is where the work that you put into your business really pays off. If you need help with either setting up your workflows or being held accountable so that you can be more efficient when developing this process, feel free to reach out to me. You can schedule a free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today. As a certified public accountant and a certified life coach, I can help alleviate the stress that you may be feeling when it comes to your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business and help you focus on the steps that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your business, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward. I'm here to help you with both your business and your personal life so that you can relieve the stress, anxiety, or overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your business, which enables you to go back to enjoying your business like you thought you would when you first started it. I work with business owners and accountants to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm that they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workloads that they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching Program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come, and relief knowing that we'll meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in this program is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it does sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or career and to start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.